Archeologists in Peru say they've uncovered the largest burial site of child sacrifices in the world. The skeletal remains of at least 227 children have been found since 2016. The bodies were buried in the coastal desert north of Lima between 600 and 800 years ago during the Chimu period. The pre-Columbian society thrived between the years 900 and 1475 until it was conquered by the Inca Empire. The bodies were found facing the Pacific Ocean near a port that was favored at the time. The mass grave tells a grim tale. The lead excavator says the site is similar to nearby burial grounds where large groups of children were interred after they were marched to the coast and stabbed in the chest one by one. The victims are estimated to have been between 4 and 14 years old when they were killed, and some of the bodies still had traces of skin and hair. He also says the children were likely a sacrifice to the gods that controlled the El Niño phenomenon, in hopes of preventing devastating storms. The dig has uncovered 95 bodies this year alone, and excavators are not done with their search. Experts say there may be many more skeletons waiting to be discovered. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Mara Montalbano.